So you just arrived at your campsite, you got backed in, the arguments are over, life is good. So now you got to hook up your power and your hose along with your water and cable. Let's go take a look. So where we're at here is the power pole. That's what I call it. We lift this up here. Here is our 50 amp connection. This is a 30 and then a 20 amp. So what we'll do is take this particular unit, plug it into the pole, making sure the circuit breaker is off first. So that's into the pole. Now we're gonna take the connection to the RV and plug it into the surge protector. Once we get connected to the RV on the other side, we're gonna flip the circuit breaker that says 50 amp to the on position. So now on the RV side, we've got what connects into your RV. On this particular rig, it's connected here on the back left, along with the other utilities. So we lift that up. There's a clear pattern here, so we're going to connect that straight in. Do the twist lock so it can't accidentally fall out while you're trying to run your AC or take a shower or any of those good things. And you're done. So next thing you want to connect up is your water. One of the benefits of staying at a resort, endless supply of water. So a couple things you're gonna need. An RV hose. These are different than say a traditional garden hose. While they're the same size, they are made differently. So important to have one of those. We also have a water filter. These are not required, not like a hose, but it is very important to have one. This will improve the taste and remove any sediment that might be found in the water. And these connect up just like a garden hose. So back here, again, we're on the rear left-hand side of the RV. This is our water connection. They will look different across the country. This is what we've got here. And so we're gonna connect that up just like we would a garden hose. So a pro tip, this is the end that we would connect to the RV to supply water. But if this is your first time hooking up, you wanna make sure that you flush water through. So we have the city water side connected. So we're gonna turn that on and flush out anything that's in the hose like that. Nasty. And now you've got clean, clear water. Okay, now you have clear water. All right, so we are on the driver's side of the RV, hooking up the city water after we've already flushed. The connection here says city water, and all we're gonna do is hook this up just like a garden hose. All right, and then the last step where we turned it on to flush it, we're gonna do that again, and that'll supply your water to the RV. All right, so we got water in, now we need sewer out. If you're the person that leaves all this connected, you're gonna have water eventually coming up through your pipe, so we need to get the sewer out. The camp shop will sell these hoses. These are excellent. They can run anywhere from 10 to about 25 feet. So we're gonna connect that. There is also one extra accessory. Typically, because certain things roll downhill, you can get this little device that ensures you get a constant slope, and I'll show you how you set that up. Now to hook up the sewer, we are still on the left-hand side, just a little bit in front of the power pole. Now different properties are gonna have this connection. You may find it near the front or all the way in the back. We've seen them all over the place, but this is essentially what you're looking for. This is a screw connection. This just unscrews. Your hose is gonna have a screw connection. This is just gonna twist right in. So this hooks into their sewer system. Now that we're connected to the sewer line, we're gonna connect this to the RV and let her rip. So now you've gotten backed in and hooked up to sewer, power, and water. We're gonna touch on cable in another video, so be sure to check that out if you have questions. There's also stabilizers and wheel chocks among other accessories that are available in the camp store as well. So now that you're set up, enjoy your stay.